So which one's better for creators? Google Veo 3 or OpenAI Sora? Let's break it down. Google's Veo 3 is a next-gen AI video generator. It doesn't just make video, it adds audio like voices, music, and background sounds. You can give it detailed prompts and it'll generate a 1080p video with synced audio. It's designed for longer clips, supports storytelling, and works with Google's Gemini app. Right now, it's in beta and access is limited, but the results are polished and production ready. Now, let's talk about Sora from OpenAI. It creates photorealistic and cinematic videos based on text prompts. It doesn't do audio yet, no voices or music, but visually it's very strong. Sora shines in creating short, smooth, dramatic clips. It also has built-in tools like Remix, Loop, and Storyboard so creators can edit directly inside the platform. It's available to ChatGPT Pro users with clips up to 20 seconds. Here's the bottom line. Veo 3 is great if you need complete scenes with sound like explainer videos or storytelling. Sora is better if you want visual polish and editing tools but don't need audio yet. Both are powerful, but your choice depends on what you're creating. This is How to Literally, where we keep things smart, simple, and scam-free. See you in the next one.